how to remove the hazard switch, the rear defroster, or the EPS switch. Now if you've got any blanks, as you see here, I suggest you just go for these first, because they just pop right out. What you can do is just stick your finger underneath, there's a little switch here, push up, pull out, and gently on the top there's another one, just prise it out. Your finger behind it, lift out like that, and what you do is simply pull off the connections, and what you're aiming for is these little slots here. That's what's holding them in place. So to reconnect, back in like that, slot in, and put your blanks back in. If you don't have any blanks, you're just going to have to gently prise from either end just to release them.